In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Zoho CRM version with our full 2025 guide. Knowing your Zoho CRM version is crucial as it helps you understand the features and capabilities available to your organization. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right into it. First, start by going to the Zoho CRM homepage. You'll want to open a web browser and navigate to crm.zoho.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do so with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Zoho CRM homepage. This is where you manage all of your CRM activities. While you're on the homepage, turn your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking this icon opens up a drop-down menu that contains personal details and settings options. This profile area is essential as it consolidates important account information and settings that are useful for personalizing your CRM experience. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, look within the drop-down menu for the details related to your CRM account. Here you will see the edition or plan that you are subscribed to. This information is usually displayed as a part of your user profile summary. The edition you are subscribed to determines what functionalities and integrations are available to you. So it's an important aspect of your CRM that you should be aware of. As you check this section, you might notice different edition names such as Standard, Professional, or Enterprise. For this guide, we are taking the scenario that you might see that your account is subscribed to the Enterprise edition. The Enterprise edition includes advanced features and more robust integration options, making it a choice for larger businesses with complex CRM needs. Knowing your Zoho CRM edition is vital as it directly affects how you manage customer relationships and your workflow. It also aids you in deciding whether you need an upgrade or if your current plan suits your business needs perfectly. In summary, by simply navigating to your home page, clicking on your profile icon, and viewing your account summary, you can quickly check which Zoho CRM edition your organization is currently using. It's a simple yet powerful step to ensure you're leveraging all your CRM's capabilities effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.